Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth's Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the parts of a computer. In this lesson, you will be able to identify and name the parts of a computer. Are you ready? Look at your body. Do you know the parts of it? What are the parts that help you move? Our body has different parts. A computer is made up of different parts too. These parts work together to do their special tasks. Do you know the parts of computer? Can you try this on your paper? Write the name of each part. Let's check your answers. This is a monitor. This is the system unit or CPU. This is the keyboard. And this is the mouse. Did you get the correct answers? Like people, a computer has different parts which make it work. These parts are called hardware and peripherals. The parts below are the main parts of a computer. They are called hardware. There are also other parts that assist the computer do other tasks. These are the peripherals. Let's now discuss the parts of a computer. The monitor, keyboard, mouse, and system unit or CPU are the main parts of a computer. They are called hardware, the physical parts of a computer. They are important because if one of them is missing, the computer will not work. Let us look at each part closely. Monitor. The monitor is the part of the computer that shows letters, numbers, pictures, games, and movies. It is like a television screen. System unit or CPU. The system unit, also called the Central Processing Unit or CPU, is called the brain of the computer. Keyboard. The keyboard is the part that you use to put data into the computer by pressing its keys. Mouse. The mouse is the part that sends commands to the computer when you press its buttons. Did you know that Douglas Engelbart designed a part of the computer that looked like a mouse with its tail sticking from the back? This part of the computer became famously called the computer mouse or simply mouse, and this is the first computer mouse. The printer, scanner, speakers, webcam, and headset are called peripherals. They assist the computer do other tasks. Printer. The printer is an output device that puts on paper the work you do on the computer. It prints letters, numbers, pictures, and images, and these are called hard copies. Scanner and webcam. The scanner works by converting the image on the document into digital information that can be stored on a computer. The webcam is a video camera that is connected to the computer that allows its images to be seen online. Speaker and headset. A speaker or headset is an output device that allows you to hear sounds and music from a computer. Once again, these are the parts of a computer. Let's name them one by one. System unit or CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, headset, webcam, scanner, and speaker. Write the computer parts in their correct screen. This is the screen for the hardware parts, and this is for the peripheral parts. And these are your choices: keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer, monitor, speaker, webcam, headset, system unit. Let's check your answers. Keyboard, hardware, mouse, hardware, scanner, peripheral, printer, peripheral, monitor, hardware, speaker, peripheral, webcam, peripheral, headset, peripheral, system unit or CPU, hardware. Label the parts of a computer. Let's check your answers. System unit or CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse. Name the peripheral parts of a computer. Let's check your answers. Scanner, webcam, speaker, headset, printer.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.